Hey, what's up guys? John here from Blackjack Contracting. We're here in Welland off the beaten path, and we're just here to show you our finished job site. This one was amazing transformation. This house was falling apart. We have rebuilt the roof. We've converted it to a duplex. Everything is brand new plumbing, electrical, HVAC, kitchens, bathrooms. You'll see quite the transformation. We're here in Welland. Now this is a vertical split, so we have an upper unit and a lower unit. The basement was also finished for extra square footage for the main unit. We've redone the outside of the facade here to give it some curb appeal. We got new decks, new porches, new air conditioning. We got everything going on here, but the best thing about it is it's still a perfect BRRRR. The customer paid about $185,000 for it. Obviously an off-market deal and a fantastic deal they got, but it was in rough shape. It took some guts to buy this one. So we put taxes in about $225 into this house. It took about 4 months long, and passed inspection yesterday. We just walked through the customer. They love it. A couple little touch-ups to do as always, and then we're going to pass it off. And so we're going to show you a little walkthrough video. This is two bedroom units. Each have their own laundry. Each have their own utilities, hydro. The only thing that's shared here is heating and water. The electric split. And I think, well, customer's thrilled. They're going to BRRRR out, so the appraiser gave them a ballpark between $550 and $600, so they're going to cash right out and have some extra for the next project, which happens to be right there. This is 26 Jones now. We're right here in Welland, so they popped this one up. This was an existing duplex, and now we're going to fix it up and add a third unit to the basement. The house was, upstairs was not bad, just needs cosmetics. The main floor was gutted. The previous owner started working on it, but gave up on it. And then we're going to be adding a third unit to the basement, which is pretty cool because we're just across the street from each other, which is fun. And then which brings on to the next thing we're going to do is, in the same lot that's going to be severed, That garage is going to be torn down, and this is going to be a brand new triplex build. Hopefully duplex or triplex. We're trying for the triplex, but so this owner is going to have what do we got here? 8 units and kitty corner. It's a pretty awesome investment. They're doing pretty well for themselves. Impressive young guys. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll keep you updated on the rest of them, and we're getting ready to shoot a bunch more videos for our REI show and Blackjack, and look forward to spending the summer with you. Thanks. Bye.